Hey everyone, Bill and Gary with KB Treks.
Good morning.
Where are we at, hon?
We are on the Disney Wish and we are about ready to explore the Oceaneer Club.
Here is one of the entrances of the Kib Club, the Oceaneer Club. And so the way out they do the check-in, and go down this slide here, which will turn around and go in. But since we're adults, we have to take the steps.
So the staircase, it's Cheshire Cat.
Really? Oh, there he is. That's cute. At least the entranceway here seems to be Alice in Wonderland themed. There's the White Rabbit. We just saw the Cheshire Cat. Eat me, drink me stuff. Gary's all excited because the slide's open now. Let's go, hon.
Oh, make sure that guy gets out first before I run into him.
Yes, yes. Whee! Whee! One option when you come in here for sanitation is the hand washing station.
These are so much fun.
You just stick your hands in. Well, that's how it works. You just kind of you put your arms in there, it spins around, gets every inch. All right, here we go, walking in, and here's the entrance. I don't know. What should we do? Left or right?
Let's go right.
Okay. So this is kind of cool. They got all the concept art for animation. So like there's from Coco and Frozen 2. There's the Walt Disney Imagineering Lab. This kind of seems like the Oceaneers Lab on the other ships. Oh, they got a 3D printer. Well, books about Disney. I'm sure that this is where they can do arts and crafts, and then they can have the screen up here. Yep, I'm assuming so. There's a camera up here, so then they can shoot down to show how to do all the arts and crafts they can put up on the screen. I'm just assuming. Kind of neat, all this art here. Like from Spider-Man, I believe. Monsters, Inc.
At the Tower of Terror.
Oh, yeah.
Concept art. Oh, that's the Guardians
Was that?
ride vehicle. That's the Guardians ride vehicle.
Oh, yeah, from Disney World, from the new ride. Lightning McQueen, the ride for Dumbo. This is neat. Yeah. I think that's the Haunted Mansion. Star Trooper helmet. Ooh, are those gumballs? I'm stealing that.
They said there's not a single child in here right now. It's all of us adults, like just geeking out.
What's your point?
Nothing. I'm just saying it's fun.
Got a globe here with Disney properties and locations on it. So Orlando, this is where the station's supposed to be for the ships. Disneyland Paris, the Disneys in Europe, or sorry, in Asia. And there's Hawaii. I'm assuming it's supposed to be California's supposed to be here, but it came off. One of my favorite characters, Figment. There's Parrot from Pirates, Partner statue, the Tron light cycle. So there's a bunch of concept type things. Oh, Ratatouille ride. The next room over, there are ride simulators. I think this is called the Prop Shop. Could be wrong with it, but this is like a ride simulator for Big Thunder Mountain. I don't know if you can switch different ones on these, but this is another one. Over here's the time clocks for the different parks and locations around the world for Disney, and a model of the Disney Wish. Want to ride the simulator?
We can't.
Why not?
Because you have to have a magic band.
That's not fair for adults.
Well, this is the kids club, dear.
Who's paying for this ride? The next room over is Captain Minnie and Mickey's Captain's Deck. Like a little play area for kids. This is a fun little play area for the kids, isn't it?
This is the toddler playroom.
The toddler playroom.
This is like for kids up to 3.
Okay. Wow, it's only been like 3 rooms, and it's already more extensive than the Oceaneers clubs at the other ships so far.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Let's see what's on the other side.
Wait, no, we gotta go to Fairy Tale Hall
Oh, we got one
first.
more on this side.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
We got the princess room.
Oh, yeah. At the Fairy Tale Hall. Okay. So it's different princesses off to the right.
Look at the ceiling. So it tells you, so Tangled,
Okay.
Frozen,
Okay.
Beauty and the Beast.
Ah.
So each room has all their little special parts of the movie.
Okay. So this is like Belle's library. You can see all the photos. Next room over is the Frozen room. So there's Anna and Elsa, like a tapestry. Windows, things, door looks familiar. Another games you can play. Last room in here is the Tangled room.
Nope.
Yeah,
This one's my favorite.
This one's your favorite? Of course it's your favorite.
Well,
It's kind of...
it's her art studio, so these are all of her paintings on the walls.
Uh-huh.
And so all of her paint supplies and her books.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, it's very artistic kind of feel in here. You can see all the lanterns flying by.
Yep. And then over here you've got Pascal, you've got her frying pan.
Uh-huh.
That's an ode to the Snuggly Duckling.
Oh, the Snuggly Duckling. It's a Snuggly Duckling.
It's her watching see the painting? It's her watching the lanterns.
Oh, yeah.
And her hair comes down.
There's more Tangled on the
Armoire.
armoire. Okay, there's one there and another one there, and there's her at the bottom. It's like this is her hair growing throughout her life. See how it goes, it's kind of long because she was shorter, and then when she got taller she could do this one, and then when she got really tall she could run to this one. Alright, back in the center hub, so to speak, we're going to go check out the other side. On the right you got restrooms that are pretty colorful and cool. Across from that is a Star Wars cargo bay. Oh, wow. Cool. Fun. I already wish that the Hyperspace Lounge looked more like this.
Right? I know. It's like this is what the Hyperspace Lounge for us should look like.
Yeah. Because I want to flip some switches and press some buttons. Look at this. It's pretty decent size in here too. Got a couple animals in here. Oh, this one kind of looks all cute and cuddly, but it's got a bunch of claws. This one looks like a big snail. I hope they're getting enough food and water. Wow. It's an R2 droid, or at least part of one. Oh, look at all this stuff. Oh, there's a C-3PO head. Wow. Really neat. Oh, this is one of those droids from the first movie, from episode 1, I should say. There you go, kind of seeing better. Oh, for a second. Lighting. Next, we're going to get a look at the Marvel Superhero Academy. We were actually in here the other day for a photo op with Spider-Man. So it won't be extensive in here, but there's Black Widow's outfit. Over here is some stuff that has to do with Black Panther. We think this is vibranium. We got different things here that kids grow up can, you know, more video screen type things for the kids to do. This is where we have the Spider-Man meet and greet. I'm sure you can have other ones here. There's Captain America's outfit. I think this is from the this outfit is from the Civil War period.
Yeah.
Because it's missing the Avengers logo on his shoulder. And then over here the Ant-Man type stuff. Here's Pym particles. So like if you had dinner in the World of Marvel, these are the Pym particle type things that we had on a table. Actually look just like this, and you press the button for dinner. The open house for the Oceaneers Club is closed, but we're in line because we're gonna meet Ant-Man in a few minutes. Ant-Man just showed up.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I borrow your card?
Good morning.
Hello.
Come on over this way.
Thank you.
Are you enjoying your time in the training facility so far?
I am, yes. I'm glad to see that you actually are still on the ship, because I thought you were going to get in trouble after the other night.
I did a little bit.
Yeah.
The captain asked me not to come back. But I shrunk down and flew in on an ant.
Okay, there you go.
So the captain doesn't know that I'm here.
Okay, I'll keep it quiet.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I knew I could trust you. That means a lot.
How's that visiting Ant-Man?
That was very fun, but we have to keep quiet because the captain asked him to leave after his antics the other night. He shrunk down and flew into the size of an ant.
Okay.
And so the captain doesn't know he's back on the ship.
Oh.
So.
Apparently the captain doesn't check the itinerary for the day.
No.
Okay. He's busy.
He's busy.
Yeah. And outside the Oceaneers lab, they have all these murals. Farther down, they have the mural for the Avengers Academy. But this is the Star Wars one. And that goes over to where we came in, the Alice in Wonderland entrance. Outside they have a board for events throughout the day. So you can check that. And then farther down, this is all in the hallway outside. So the rooms are behind here. So this is the frozen room where the princess is. And there's the play area with the little kids area. Oh, can't see it through there. All right, we just got through the Oceaneers Club, and at the end we got to see Ant-Man. But what did you think of the club?
It's so neat.
Oh, I wish I was a kid.
I know, you really do wish you had. It was actually funny because I mean it's kind of early, and when the
All right, let's go.
when the Oceaneers Club first opened up for the open house, it was like all adults. Like there wasn't even a
Wasn't a single kid in
child.
there, yeah.
It was like all adults. So it was kind of funny.
That's the way I like it.
Yeah, it's like we're all excited about it too.
Yeah, just the rooms are so cool, and they're all themed differently, and they just bleed into another. It's almost like when you start at the one end, it's younger, and then the farther the other direction you go, it's older and older kind of a thing. Just really cool stuff in there.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it's full of activities and meet and greets for the kids and playtime.
Exactly. Yeah.
So jealous. But then at the end there, we got to meet Ant-Man.
We got to meet Ant-Man.
Ant-Man.
Yeah, but he's not on the ship right now.
Shh.
Don't
That's a
tell
whole other
anyone.
thing.
Yeah.
Anyway, but we want to thank you for joining us. Please do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. But this was a really cool experience. I really wish that I was a kid. So much fun, and there's other areas to explore around the ship.
Yes.
So we're going to go check out some more of that. But for now, we want to thank you for joining us. I'm Bill.
I'm Carrie.
You watch KB Treks. Do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Until then, good luck and have fun.
See ya.